Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Ahmad Riyadullah, a final semester student in the Department of Biology Education at Yogyakarta State University. This time, I will convey my views on climate change as a biology teacher and give some advice to you as the younger generation in responding to the phenomenon of the climate change. Climate change is a change in the physical condition of the Earth's atmosphere, which include extreme temperature changes, unnaturally changing weather, and the distributor of rainfall that has a wide impact on various sectors of life. Physical changes due to climate change do not occur just for a moment, but over a long period. Climate change is often considered the same as global warming, even though there are two phenomena are different. Global warming is the small part of the climate change. Climate change has a broader meaning phenomenon because the climate parameter is not only just temperature, but there are other parameters such as cloud condition, wind, humidity, and the solar radiation. Global warming is an increase in the average temperature of the atmosphere close to the Earth's surface. Indonesia is also one of the countries affected by climate change. Based on the data from the 87 observation station of the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency of Indonesia or BMKG, the air temperature in May of 2022 is 29.4 degrees Celsius. Then, the normal range of temperature is 21.7 degrees Celsius until 29.1 degrees Celsius. Based on this value, the average air temperature anomaly in May 2022 saw a positive anomaly with a value of 0.3 degrees Celsius. The anomaly in Indonesia's air temperature in May 2022 is the 8th highest anomaly value throughout the observation data period since 1981. This one is the one of the impact of the climate change. The results of the study by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change or IPCC presented in Poland in 2017 stated that the climate in the world today is changing very quickly, more than previously thought. The acceleration of the climate change is not only triggered by human activities, but another triggering factor for the global warming is carbon emission due to deforestation. In Indonesia, which is the one of the biggest lands of the world with the vast amount of the forest, is currently getting worse. The forest areas is decreasing from year to year. Based on the data from the Indonesian Central Statistic Agency or BPS, the area of the natural forest in Kalimantan, Papua, and Sulawesi has decreased on the average even up to 5% per year. From the results of the research conducted by Putra in 2019, the main cause of the reduction of the forest in Sumatra and Kalimantan by 58.5% was due to land clearing for agriculture. Then, as much as 20% is caused by land clearing for settlements. 30% is due to logging for the timber industry, and others. Climate change is a big phenomenon that occurs in the world and can cause many negative impacts. For the example, the impact from the climate change is increasing the greenhouse gases that can cause global warming, change in the habitat and the environment, and then the extinction of various species of flora and fauna, increasing disease outbreaks, the sinking of some coastal areas and small islands, even increasing the number of the cases of the skin cancer, cataract, and decrease the immunity. Well, there are a lot of bad impact due to climate change. Therefore, you, as the young generation of the future, should participate in effort to prevent climate change. Every form of your effort that you make, even though it's still on a small scale will have impact if you carry it out continuously. A simple example is saving energy, reducing the use of motorcycle, and participating in various movements or campaigns that support reforestation. You also can invite your friends to care for the earth, because this earth belongs to us all, so we should also take care of it together. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.